Welcome to TimeSlice, where we cut through time one day at a time. Today is August 17th, and it's packed with firsts, fame, fiction, and fallout. From the world's first animated cartoon to Orwell's warning, Clinton's confession, and the birth of electric vehicles, this day moves fast. Let's dive in. We begin with a silent revolution. On this day in 1891, the first patent for an electric automobile self-starter was issued. No hand cranks, no fumes, just electric motion. Sound like a Tesla ancestor? Well, it was. Have you ever ridden in or owned an electric car? Tell us down below. We want to know. In Paris, Emile Cohl debuted Phantasmagorie, a 2-minute marvel that became the first fully animated cartoon ever shown on screen. It was quirky, surreal, and opened the door to Mickey, Bugs, and beyond. Could you imagine a world without animation? During World War I, Italy declared war on the Ottoman Empire in 1917, expanding the battlefield even further. 1 year later, British forces launched an offensive on Baku in Azerbaijan, aiming to secure vital oil fields. As World War II escalated, Hitler issued a total blockade of Britain. His goal? Starve the island into surrender. Spoiler alert, it didn't work. British resilience only grew stronger. After Japan's surrender in World War II, the Korean peninsula was split into two: Soviet influence in the north, US presence in the south. The line was meant to be temporary, but became permanent. Did you know this was the start of a division still shaping the world today? Some animals are more equal than others. On this day, George Orwell published Animal Farm, a biting allegory of Soviet totalitarianism. It remains one of the most powerful political satires ever written. After years of struggle, Indonesia officially became a fully independent republic on this day, shaking off its Dutch colonial rule. Sukarno led the charge, becoming the country's first president and a symbol of post-war decolonization. Pioneer 7 took flight to study the solar wind and interplanetary space, part of NASA's growing efforts to decode our solar system. Another quiet but crucial step towards understanding our sun. In a televised address watched by millions, US President Bill Clinton finally admitted to an improper relationship with intern Monica Lewinsky. His political fallout was swift, but so was the media circus. Where were you when this news broke? On this day, scientists at LIGO detected gravitational waves from two neutron stars colliding, a cosmic smash-up that confirmed theories and explained the origins of heavy elements like gold. Yes, that ring on your finger could have been forged in a neutron star crash. Born on August 17th, 1932, V.S. Naipaul, Nobel Prize-winning author of A House for Mr. Bizwa. 1943, Robert De Niro, method actor behind Taxi Driver, Raging Bull, and Goodfellas. 1960, Sean Penn, two-time Oscar winner and outspoken activist. 1977, Thierry Henry, lightning-fast footballer and World Cup champion with France. Quite the lineup. Literature, cinema, activism, and sports. Who's your favorite? Died on August 17th, 1987, Rudolf Hess, former Nazi official, died by suicide in prison. 1988, Franklin D. Roosevelt Jr., son of FDR and former US congressman. Their legacies couldn't be more different. One infamous, one statesman's-like. Weddings on August 17th. In 1964, Bruce Lee married Linda Emery in Seattle. Their partnership became legendary, in martial arts and in life. From Orwell's pen to Pioneer's path, and political scandal to planetary science, August 17th shows how history swings between warning signs and wonder. Which moment surprised you the most today? Drop it in the comments. We read every one. Like, subscribe, and join us tomorrow for more. Until then, keep on exploring, right here with us at TimeSlice.